Thank you for tuning in and checking out this video. My name is Tanner. I'm a channel development specialist here at ASI. I specialize in industrial PCs and I'm part of the IPC team here at ASI. Our objective is to provide a diverse array of support to all of our partners that are involved in industrial PC. So I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to ASI Industrial, tell you a little about us and our solutions that we have available. So if you aren't familiar with ASI at all, ASI has been a leader in IT distribution for almost 4 decades now. We supply motherboards, graphics cards, storage, and any other system essential component. We also assist our partners with logistical support and project management, as well as post-sales support. So let's do a brief overview of the product categories that we have available here at ASI for industrial PC. First up is motherboards. This is a big one for us. Not only is it core to the IPC market, but it's a core strength for ASI as well. We know motherboards very well. We have many direct partnerships and decades of experience with each of the different manufacturers. So, this is a major strength for ASI overall, and it is true for our industrial boards as well. We have a very broad selection of options there, all sorts of different form factors and, embedded or socket CPUs, different IO port options and things like that. But your mini ITX, your thin minis, 3.5-inch SBCs, ASI carries many varieties of all these form factors and more with a variety of processor options. We also have edge AI platforms. The versatility of edge computing and AI have allowed these systems to provide value in a variety of markets, and we're seeing a great expansion happening there right now because of that. So these could be used for, quality assurance at a manufacturing plant, maybe an advanced security system with facial recognition, security, medical devices, warehouse, robotics. These are all getting more advanced and growing because of the rise of AI, and that AI arriving at the edge is a big part of that. We also have industrial display solutions. So that's going to be touch screens, HMIs, rugged displays, that sort of thing. If you're curious as to what makes a display an industrial display, it would be that they have the longer industrial life cycle. They also have enhanced durability, waterproof certifications, high brightness options to remain readable outdoors, things like that. And we also have rugged systems. So this could be a controller on a manufacturing line or really any kind of box PC that's made to have extra durability. So water resistant stuff, explosion resistant stuff. We do have AEX stuff, things of that nature. And this is done because many IPCs are going to be deployed outdoors, have to deal with weather, vibration, things like that. But these are all products that can be used in multiple markets. Any environment that's going to be harsh or involve extended periods of uptime will be an environment best suited for these types of solutions. But these are our major product categories. You have the motherboard, which is our big one, ruggedized PCs, displays, and edge AI. Of course, we also have other bare bone components, computer on modules and stuff like that, developer kits for early systems. And then there's, these sort of industrial adjacent products and peripheral stuff. So not just the motherboards and box PCs, but wide temperature SSDs, MIPI camera modules, things that we bring in to offer that full diverse array of products. It's a big part of our value here at ASI to our partners. And now I'll go over our industrial vendors that we have here at ASI. So MSI, ASRock, Gigabyte, these are your system and motherboard guys. AverMedia adds NVIDIA. Atina adds more NVIDIA as well as Qualcomm. Aplex adds displays. It all comes together to form that full package of solutions. And we are adding to this list. So we just added MyTac recently. And as we continue to expand our IPC business, we will continue to reach new partners that will allow you to reach more markets and more verticals. So we also know that there are choices when it comes to your distributor and who you work with. And there are advantages to working with ASI that are specific to industrial PC that I wanted to talk about here. So the first one is going to be longevity. At ASI, longevity isn't just about product lifecycle. We have long-standing, well-curated, and well-maintained relationships with our manufacturing partners, and that's a lot of development that you could have in your corner. You get a bridge to the manufacturer. You get the experience of our industrial PC team. It's the experience of our IPC team here at ASI. They're very knowledgeable and have worked all over the world and have decades of experience with this stuff. We also have experience with project management, experience supporting these things, and again, a long track record of established success. Life cycle management and inventory forecasting is especially important in industrial PC because these are long-term projects. And so we make sure to manage inventory, manage EOL and roadmap notifications, forecasting, importing. These are all essential life cycle management skills for these industrial projects. And we have a lot of experience with those sorts of project support things. ASI is a recognized brand, an esteemed name in the industry. Our partners are well known in the industry, and this reputation means a lot to us here at ASI. We would not risk a reputation that took decades to build, bringing in products that our customers couldn't trust. So, working with us, you can confidently know that all products have been vetted by the market and by ASI. And you get a centralized point of contact. So this is another area where we can provide value because instead of you having to go to 8 different people for 8 different things, you can come to us and get whatever you need from us. So through ASI, you can consolidate sourcing of various product groups from various vendors for various verticals. So overall, we add value to you with our experience in product management, our experience working with these manufacturers, the reputation that ASI has earned through our longevity as a company. We add our experience to yours. We are fully capable of providing turnkey solutions and whatever level of assistance a customer is looking to get. Maybe you don't want any help building something turnkey, you want to do it yourself. You still get a lot of value by having one centralized point of contact that is your supplier, that understands the needs and the things that are important to you, that have experience managing life cycle and inventory and all that good stuff. So, like I said, we're taking ASI's experience and reputation and we're adding it to yours. We also have ASI Industrial University. ASI Industrial University is a free educational resource. There is no login required. You just go to that URL at the bottom of the screen. Here you can find overview materials that will tell you about the different solutions we have at ASI, recordings of webinars and training sessions, blogs, and more. This is a page that was created so that our partners had easy access to a place dedicated to helping them stay aware of the emerging trends and opportunities in industrial PC. So if you'd like to learn more about us, you can certainly go there. Our main website also has a lot of great information, of course. And if you see an opportunity, reach out and we can work with you to determine the optimal solution to fit your needs. ASI's industrial PC team is ready to support you. So thanks again for watching.